Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I have just checked into the beautiful Disneyland Tokyo Resort. I want to show you my amazing room. We are on the 7th floor, room 7503. We have just finished the Japan Adventures by Disney. We added on the Tokyo Disney 2-night package with a 3-day park hopper, and we're about to explore. The rooms are very well appointed at this hotel. Look at Mickey and Minnie. So cute. This resort reminds me a lot of the Grand Floridian. Got a flat screen TV. We have a sofa here. Very nice. The roof, or the ceiling, excuse me, is raised, which is very nice. In a minute, I'll take you out on, or let you see the beautiful garden area. Nice mirror there. They brought our luggage up. That's a painting of the courtyard area that you can see from our room. Got a flat screen TV. Plenty of storage there. And if I had to guess, this is probably a set. Oh, there's pajamas. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So fun. Everyone in Japan is so very nice. Got a nice tea set here. Mini bar. Refrigerator with a few drinks already in. Oh, Evian water, love it. My favorite. We've got a full-length mirror in the foyer. And then let's look at the closet area. Look at these hand pulls. Wow. Opens as comes on as I open the door. More linens. And slippers. I love slippers. And a bed rail if you've got a small child. Love that. And then continuing on in the entryway foyer area. Very nice. Show you the barrel ceiling here. Very, very nice. Okay, here's our bathroom. So we've got one sink, we've got a marble countertop, we've got glasses here with Tokyo Disney, love it. And we've got face and hand soap, and look at this, a toothbrush kit, 4 toothbrush kits, hotel shampoo, conditioner, amenities kit with a cute Disney design on it, and if you've got a little one, a plastic cup there, so that's very nice. The towels also have the Disneyland Hotel insignia, which is nice. And let's check out this area. This will be your wet area. So we have a tub. And a shower here. Very unusual, but I like it. So we'll have a shower. Very nice. Now I promised that I would show you our view. It is lovely. Let's check that out.
You done?
Here is our gorgeous view from our room of the Disneyland Hotel Courtyard in Tokyo. You are steps, literally steps away from the park. We enjoyed just walking right through Tokyo Disneyland Station. You can also see the monorail there. We're about to go back for fireworks and the electric light parade. We're so excited. Coming over here, you can see a bit better view of the park. So convenient. And from my children's room on the other side of the resort, you can see the pool area. Awesome pirate ship at the bottom. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. Don't forget to like my YouTube channel to follow all my travels, and I would love to help plan your next magical Disney vacation. See you real soon.